What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, what we're going to do today, we're going to go over Thursday's game plan. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see if we got anything that'll rock the markets tomorrow. We got the jobless report come down tomorrow at 8:30, and you got PPI tomorrow. Guys, we know what these data drops can do to the market. We seen it today. We had that crazy drop to the downside, and then they kind of rebounded back. But this is the same type of drama we got headed to tomorrow morning, except we don't have Fed Powell in the building. So that is a good thing because we know what he can do to the market as well. So guys, let's go ahead and get into it. But before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Before we jump into the newbie and beginner plays, I guess you can call this as a newbie and beginner play, but honorable mention to HOOD. You see they're grinding right now. They're sitting at 64 bucks right now. They closed out at 55.94, and they are booming. They had their earnings call today. So Wall Street must have liked it because it's going up. We'll see where they land at tomorrow morning, but I had this on your radar now for a whole week to play the run up, and they gave us that run up. I even dropped it last night in the video. You can check the title. This stock is ready to explode. Hood to the moon, guys. You see what they did. We popped this a little while ago. They were sitting close to $65. So that's a $10 move from where they closed at. Again, we'll see where this thing land at tomorrow, and we'll dominate it as the market get ready to open. I will update those levels and put them out in the Discord before the session starts. So let's get it. First ticker up is going to be for the newbies and beginners, but these next couple of plays that I'm ready to put out are money-making plays, man. I'm telling you, I am falling in love with this TEM ticker. They give you stuff to the upside. They give you stuff to the downside. They come back to key areas and boom, and run it back up. So as if you in this play right here, what you want to see tomorrow, you want to see them open higher than 74.75. They can do that. They gonna start running to the higher stuff. You got 75.90, then you got 77.50, and then boom, you got 78.60. On the downside, what you want to see, you want to see them open lower than this middle right here at 73.50. They can do that right there. You got 72.70, and then boom, you got 72.30, all the way back down to this area right here, 70.80. Next level down, you got 69.50, and then they're gonna try to shoot this shot back down to this heavy level at 67.70. So there you go in this play right there. Next play that I'm falling in love with is ticker symbol HIMS. They are doing the same thing. You see they're sitting at 46.80 right now. So they are grinding. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than $47 for them to continue the run up. On the downside, you want to see this area at 46 even get taken out, or them open lower. They can do that. You got this level down here at 45.30, and then boom, you got 44.95. Next level down is going to be this middle in here at 44.30, and then boom, 43.90 on deck. We'll handle in real time once they start taking out those levels. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol PLTR. I had a call out in the Discord on this one. Once it passed a certain level, what they was going to try to do, and they did exactly that. If you are a bull, you want to see them open tomorrow somewhere in this area where they're holding at, or even better, you want to see them hold higher than 118.70. If they can do that, they're going to start putting 120 in their radar. So there you go to the upside, and Palantir to the downside. What you want to see, you want to see them open lower than 117.10. If they can do that, boom, you got 116.20 on deck. Next level down is going to be 115.55. Next level after that is going to be 114.50. We'll handle in real time once they start taking checking out those levels. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? Let's go ahead and get it. First ticker for you guys, we're going to do one that we normally don't do on here because we always chasing the SPY, but the SPY ain't been doing anything. So we're going to go ahead and throw QQQ in there and see what they're about. If you playing this play in QQQ, they're sitting at 529.50. You want to see them go ahead and knock out that top at 530.40. They can do that. They're going to start slowly moving this thing on up. You got this stuff in here at 531.10, and then boom, you got 532.10 on deck. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than these middles right here at 528.70. They can do that. Next level down is going to be this stuff in here, 528.10, and then boom, you got 527.25. Next level down is going to be this stuff over in here at 526.14, and they slowly trying to work their way back down to this area at 521.90, which will be a heavy level. So that's QQQ. Next ticker up, guys, we're going to throw Tesla at you, and we seen what Tesla did. Tesla had that low drop from the start right at here, right where my level is at, 524.90, and they boom that thing to where my level up in here. You got 345.60. If you are a bull, you want to see them open somewhere around 341.10. If they can do that, boom, you coming back to 345.40. You got some turbulence in here that they couldn't make it through, 346.40, and then boom, 348.55. Next level up is going to be this stuff up in here at 351.30. So, but again, guys, I wouldn't get my hopes all up on the calls yet because they still in bear territory where they can still strike and go down lower. But on the downside, what you want to see 335.40, them open lower than that. If they can open lower than that, next level down is going to be this stuff down here, 329.90. If they lose that, next one down, 324.74. Check this one. Lose that one, boom, you got 318.90. So do not disregard that level to the downside. Wait and see what they're doing in the morning, and if it's an uptrend, we'll follow the uptrend. But once they start pulling back, you got to respect that pullback, and don't just say, oh, once they get to 330, I'm gonna buy a call for no reason and then get smoked in that call. Don't do that. That's called FOMO, and you don't want to miss out on the play, and it's not showing you any signs of buying a call. So you sit tight. Just that simple. Unless you just got money to throw away, then at that point, you do you. But I would definitely not advise it. Guys, if you watched my video last night, I even gave you a cheat. I put somewhere over here, I think it was, I said once they broke 335 something, they was gonna start their run up. And as you see, I put it out in the Discord. They hit that area and it was off to the races. So shout out to any of you that was able to catch that play and make some money on it and dominate. I am super happy for you guys. So we're going to go ahead and let y'all newbies and beginners enjoy those 3 plays that I put out. Big baller shot callers. I gave you 2 powerful ones for tomorrow to pay attention to. We're going to go ahead and end the ticker list right now. All right, guys, I want to show a little love to a few people out there that's putting in that work. Samrock25. I just wanted to say thank you, D Fresh, Sean the Wolf, and Money Spence. New to the group and already following your plays and call outs. Staying green and enjoying the journey. Bless you. I am super duper proud of you. Staying green and learning from the trade experts in there, but do not sleep on the prospects tab. Make sure you checking out that channel there. They are just as good. They're throwing daggers out there at plays. They throwing play ideas that you can get into and make some money playing responsibly. So just want to say congratulations to you. Champagne bottles in the air for staying green. That is a tough task to do, and you figured it out. You're doing it. I am super duper proud of you. Keep the grind on. On to the next one. Vortex 2024 hit me up and said, D Fresh, hey, I made $2,800 on your TME call, by the way, last week and yesterday. Champagne bottles in the air for you from being able to dominate that play and make money. Man, guys, I'm telling you, TME, that is turning to my personal favorite. It gives you the nice volatility that you need to, make some money, to capitalize on moves going up as well as down. So, guys, if y'all don't have that one on y'all radar, I'm telling you, better put it holding on and pay attention to it. Back to the comment, I messed up big today, was up $500 and got greedy. It ran up to where I lost $1,600. I stayed in the play until I made up my $1,500 before noon. Lesson learned. I need to stop being greedy. Facts. Stop being greedy. I often say greed is the number one killer of your portfolio. Trust me, I've ran through a few of them for being greedy. Now I don't even look at the dollar amount. I only pay attention to the percentage. I was in 30 hood calls today and I was up about 60% on those calls right there. And man, I see my profit and I know earnings is later on. I get the run up. I'm like, man, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take 20 off the top. I'm gonna hold for earnings, something that I never do. So I'm waiting. I'm seeing them bust through another key area. And I'm like, man, this thing is still pumping on these 10. I went ahead and sold those, got up out of that play, and I knew what they were gonna do. I've been calling it. Hood's gonna explode. Where are they sitting? They sitting $10 higher now. Hey, you can't worry about what you can't worry about. I sold. Now the only thing I need to worry about is finding the next A+ setup and being able to dominate that play right there. So, hey, it is what it is. You live in the moment, you make the money, you get up out of that play, and you live to see another day. So again, I'm proud of you for being able to recover that loss and make the money back, and even proud of you for dominating that TME call. So champagne bottles in the air for you. I'm super duper proud of you. Keep grinding. All right, for everybody that's watching that's not in the Discord, get in the Discord. What are you waiting for? That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs, as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. But guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper tight, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.